Hi, this is Brian Pasch, and we just finished up an amazing day at DCDW. The dealers were really excited to learn about some of the new things that are happening in the US and how to apply them here in their local markets. We talked about the Amazon Hyundai program and that it's really not going that well. There's not many people buying cars through Amazon, and the profitability of those deals is very low. So the Hyundai dealers are not very excited about this partnership program. Well, we talked about the increasing availability of Google vehicle listing ads coming to the Netherlands, and how dealers are using them in the US to supplement their digital marketing strategy. But the big exciting news was to show dealers how to check the speed and usability of their websites, because when they fix the speed of their websites, they can see a 30% increase in sales. That's right, 30% increase in those leads that lead to sales just by fixing the speed of their websites. So we showed the dealers what the free tool looks like, how to improve their website performance, and how to make it easier for consumers to do business with them. And one last thing we talked about is the importance of managing their customer data. There's a new technology platform coming into automotive called Customer Data Platforms, or CDPs. So in addition to the DMS and the CRM, which every dealer has, a CDP will help dealers with retention, proper communications to their customers, and, well, doing more to retain existing customers while growing their business. These are all brand new topics brought directly to DCDW. Thank you, Paul Vries, for inviting me. This is my 12th year, so I'll keep on coming back if you invite me.